This week on the Racing Lines, how does it works in partnership with Autopit. Last time here, we talked about how to prepare your vehicle's brakes ready for the road. Now this time, we'll go dive in deeper. Getting to know more about your brakes will surely help you understand its importance. So in this week's topic, how does our brake system works? So how does the brake system of our four-wheel vehicle works? First is that we need to identify these components that comprises the brake system. First is the brake pedal, the servo, the master cylinder, reservoir, the hydraulic lines that stretches to all the wheels. Front tires are disc brake, which consists of the wheel hub assembly, brake disc, brake caliper assembly, and onto the back, which are brake drums, which consist of back plate assembly and the brake drum. So when the driver steps on the brake pedal, the servo adds additional pressure to the master cylinder, creating a hydraulic force which forces the brake fluid to run through the hydraulic lines and creating pressure to the front disc brakes and rear drum brakes. The hydraulic brake fluid applies pressure to the caliper body and pushes the brake piston out, forcing the inner brake pads into the brake disc. And for the drum brakes at the back, the brake shoe are the ones stopping the back plate that holds the back wheels. It has this wheel cylinder. This is the one that is connected to the hydraulic system. So upon applying brakes, hydraulic fluid simultaneously goes to the front to the disc brake and onto the back. That forces this piston inside the wheel cylinder, pushes the brake shoe and stops the wheel at the back. So all the components mentioned here are vital in stopping your vehicle. So it is important to have them checked regularly. Check the pads and the shoes are thick enough to hold the disc brakes and the drum brake respectively. And of course, cleaning it regularly is also very important as it builds up dust particles, especially if you're passing through wet roads and mud that hampers the condition of your brakes. So here at Autopits, the first AISIN center that offers periodic maintenance and brake services as well. Plus, they have a complete line of AISIN brake components that are guaranteed the best in the market today. So head down to Autopit and have your vehicles checked. They're open from Mondays to Sundays. Plus, of course, they are also pamper the drivers as well while waiting for your cars being served. So now you know how the brake system works, so better have them checked regularly. See you again on our next How Does It Works, only here on the Racing Line.